Ladies, today we're going to try Stunner DIY Cluster Eyelashes Extension. I'm amazed by these lashes, you know. It actually quite lightweight, durable, comfortable. You can wear it 3 to 5 times after you remove. You don't even need makeup remover to remove, just need to take it out, will do, okay? For those who have thin lashes, I recommend that you all maybe put mascara first, then you apply these lashes. They actually have two ways to wear it, okay? You can do it like the cat eye way or the doll eye way. So today I'm going to show you how to do the doll eye look. Okay, choose the longest one to be at the end of your lashes, then followed by the middle length and the smallest, shortest length, okay? Thank God for my magnifying mirror, I'm able to see my lashes very well. So you just put, for me, I just put like 3 or 2, you know, at the end, and I'm done. So after you attach, right, you have to press it up. Okay, let me do the complete look. Oh, check out my doll eye look. Isn't it gorgeous? So if you're interested to order, please click onto the link there below to order or click on the link on the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!